Hey yo, what's up guys? It's Tyler Albert back here again. We're back here with Offroad Outlaws. So I'm gonna give you a rundown of my trucks. Here's my Jeep. I call her Jeepero. My crawler. This thing just eats mud. But we're not going to really do this right this instant. So we're going to go into a map. And we're going to get some money. Put this up here. Trail race. No, I don't want trail race. Ooh! Sorry, I'm not new to the game. It's just that. Oh, what the flip? Sorry about what this is going on. This happened to me once. This game started to. Can you be quiet, Sab's crazy? I'll mute you. I will mute you, muter than a muty mule. Yeah, I said it. I'm not afraid to either. So, in this game, Sabs, what I gotta do is you come in here, right? And you gotta go over to multiplayer, and right on the bottom of multiplayer, there's that thing called, what's it called? Host or join private map. And then what you do is you go down there and put the password in, and I tell you. Got me going psycho. Oh. Got me going psycho. Oopsie. I'm sorry about that, guys. I got the burp. And her name is Taylor. God, oh my. Her name is Maywa. Okay. Oh, that's great. It just don't. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Don't be so surprised that your truck won't go like 100 miles an hour in the beginning. But my car goes almost 200, so. You know, because it's fully upgraded. Yeah, I know. Pretty quick for a little car. I wish they added Priuses for some reason. Whoa, oh, I can almost do a wheelie. You guys should have seen my one truck. That thing stood up on the rear end. Are you still there, Sabs? Crazy boy. Why don't you talk a little bit? Why don't you shout out your channel some more? No. Still don't hear you. I'm deaf. Back this little horsey up. Oh yeah, this is a twin turbo diesel. Twin turbo diesel. Whoop whoop. Got me going psycho. Whoop 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 whoop. What do you want now, Sabs crazy?
What are you doing earlier today? You told me wait for 31 minutes. What were you doing?
I'm creating a video right now.
Tell me earlier. Tell me wait for 31 minutes.
Oh, what I was doing was, I was helping Grapple. He was trying to put chains on the mower. So I helped him put chains on the mower. We went up the farm. I done a tuck and roll. Landed on my back. Broke some ice in my butt. It was fun. What? Hopefully you get in this map soon, because if you don't, then my video's gonna be over because I'm already 5 minutes in. And they want to see your piece of crap. Don't you guys? Leave down in the comments if you do. And we're gonna have a judge competition. My truck is better. What? You don't need to record a video of me.
I don't have it app down yet.
We're gonna be here all night just doing this. Sorry guys, this kid, if you don't get in here soon, I'm gonna tell all you to do something that he will never like me for. He will hate me forever if I tell you guys this.
What do I go to?
And everybody, subscribe to PewDiePie.
No.
Since he says no, not subscribe to PewDiePie, don't subscribe to Sab's Crazy. So what do you mean you gotta go with? There's a picture of a truck on it. Just go. Okay, so are you in Offroad Outlaws? Right?
I'm doing it.
Get in the Offroad Outlaws. Tell me when you got a truck, alright? Alright. Got a truck?
Yeah.
Okay, then go press down on the bottom and press play, right? Bottom right.
Yeah, that's it.
And then go over to multiplayer. Then you see that thing on the bottom that says host or join private, right?
Yeah.
Go there. And when it says put in the code, what? Put in this code.
What's the code?
7383. This is my flashy truck, by the way. This is supposed to be the rugged build. Takes a couple of seconds.
How do you get money now?
Are you in the map? No, you're not. This is the cheap money map. You just you start trail, press the circle respawn button, and do that a few times. Ah! Press start trail. Back up, back up, back up, back up, back up! Yeah, this dipstick over here. Turn his name off. Press start trail. Up top, start trail. Let's go. Well, I'm gonna let you guys do whatever you want for the rest of your night. I gotta babysit this kid. Okay, so you all have a good night and see ya and stay American.